Hi guys, Jacqueline from Baby Henry Likes here. I thought that I would film the follow-up to one of my most popular videos, the Disney Princesses one. Someone recently had asked if I had ever done the follow-up video and I hadn't. So this is the video. As you can see here are some pictures of what the final outcome was. That's my middle daughter right there. This project was a bit challenging because I traveled to Ecuador. The party was in Ecuador, so I had to start the project here in the United States, and then I had to bring all of my stuff, which you see there. I had to bring everything with me on the airplane to Ecuador and finish the project over there. Over there, there were a few mishaps. I had to change some things, but overall, I was able to complete it. So here's another picture of the final outcome. And I'll show you how I made everything. So let's start with the souvenirs. So I used baby food jars for the souvenirs. Here you can see I painted the lids. I used glitter on the lids. Here I am painting it. And I chose 6 Disney princesses, I believe, to work on. I did Cinderella, Sleeping Beauty, Jasmine, Ariel, and Snow White. And I don't think I'm missing anyone else. So here I am. I just painted the lids, then I Mod Podged it, added glitter, added more Mod Podge, and then that was it. That's the final outcome. I love glitter, so that's how that came out. You can see the final outcome with all of the glittered lids. I bought Hershey Kisses in various colors and I put them in there, and then I added a ribbon, a corresponding ribbon, and then the thank you. Then I did these floral arrangements with Henry, my husband's niece's name. And for this, I just bought Dollar Tree clay pots, painted them pink and white, and then inserted a foam ball. Then I added a white dowel, added some shredded paper, and then I stuck a foam ball to it, added some paper florals, and then pins in various colors, and then that was done. Next, I did the banner. So the banner I started here in the States. I used my Cricut, and I basically just used a castle design in different colors, and then on top of that, I used pink regal lettering that said baby shower. Then I hung it up, and then I did different princesses on the ends. So next is the table skirt. So I don't have too many pictures of the full table skirt, so this is one of them. Basically, I had a Dollar Tree tablecloth. I glued a ribbon around it, or tied a ribbon around it, and then I tied various colored tulle around that, and that's how I did the table skirt. It took a very long time. My back was hurting, and I had 1 or 2 other people helping me, but we finally completed it. That was me saying, I did all of this. I was so proud of myself. Then these are the placemats. I had shown these paper placemats. I basically just hung them up on the curtains. There's another shot of the placemats. I also bought some images at Party City, I think, and I put those on the walls as well. And then there's me again saying, I made all this. This right here is the 3-tiered tray. I basically just bought 3 plates from Dollar Tree and Mod Podged the table placemats on them, and then I glued the candlestick holders to them. I colored them, I painted them, and then I glued them on there. So then we have the table decorations that I bought that were already made. So these are the princess centerpiece. There's the Disney princesses napkins. Here are the headbands, the crowns. My daughter wore one. I think I wore one, and my sister-in-law, I think, wore one also. Here's the ribbon that I got her that says princess on it. Here are this is the cupcake holder. We made, I think, 12. We ordered 12 or 18, I don't remember, cupcakes, and so we put put it on there and I forgot, or I couldn't put the cupcake toppers on because they didn't fit. These are the little treat boxes with chocolates. Those are the bigger treat boxes. They put little hors d'oeuvres in there. So then here's the cake. I did not add the Disney Princess's cake topper that I had bought because I felt like there was really no place to put it, so I just didn't use that. Here's another picture of everybody in the table as well. Overall, my sister-in-law loved the party. She had no idea, no clue what we were doing, and she was in love with everything. And she actually took many of the items home with her. She took the 3-tiered tray. She took the wall decoration on the back, which is from Party City. She took the name Aitana. She took that with her. She really loved how this came out. So I hope that you've enjoyed my video. If so, please give me a like and comment and subscribe to see more videos. Thank you so much for watching.